Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, a reviewing and a testing of this 20V cordless grass trimmer made by Ferrex, which I recently bought from Aldi supermarket here in the UK. Okay, so I recently purchased a Ferrex lawn trimmer from Aldi and it's just arrived in the mail this week. So let's take a quick look at the box. I've just opened it to check that it's all there and it's not damaged and everything looks good. Ferrex 20V lawn trimmer, so you don't get the battery included, but I have a battery. It's the active energy battery range and it works with a 20V battery. So it's called a GDRT26 dual nylon blades cutting system. So it's a bit different to the old wire on the strimmer. This is kind of two attachments that you clip on. I'll show you that in a moment. Cutting width 260mm, adjustable telescopic handle from 960mm to 1200mm, 4-position cutting angle adjustment, motor head rotatable up to a max of 180 degrees. Here on the side of the box it's compatible with the active energy battery system, the 20V and the 20 to 40V batteries, and you can use your quick charger to charge them. So out of the box, here is the strimmer itself. And it comes with the manual and warranty, of course. The handle here that I'll need to screw on in a minute. It's got the flower guard there, and then it's got a bag full of these nylon plastic attachments, which are what cuts through the grass. So instead of that wire, you've got two of these that flick around and do the job. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to assemble this, get it all put together and then give it a test. I've counted out all of the nylon blades and there is a total of 22. The handle here, there's a part you can pull off and it's kept on with like a bit of plastic here, and you can use that to keep your spare blades in, so you can fill that up and then put the lid back, and when you need one you know exactly where they are. The handle itself just goes on with there's a nut through the middle and you tighten it up here and it can be adjusted up and down the shaft, and this part can be adjusted forwards and backwards too. So here on the shaft you've got the lock and unlock screw, and that allows the shaft to extend and be pushed back in on itself depending on your height. And then you've got this latch here, 1 and 2, and when you pull the latch it will allow you to twist part of the bottom half of the bar, and that will allow you to use the strimmer as an edge trimmer. So you're changing the angle of the head so that you can cut along an edge, and I'll show you that later on. So there's a guard here at the front so that you don't accidentally trim any delicate plants, and it keeps it away from a brick wall, so it stops it from stops the nylon blades from getting damaged. So you can lift this out of the way, you kind of just pull it, it's like a spring, and then there's another notch for it to sit into here, keeping it nicely out of the way. So you can adjust the angle of the head with this push button here, and it clicks into place like so. Now to attach the nylon blades on, as you can see they're the same either way, so you can't make a mistake. Doesn't matter which way round you put them. So to put them on, there's a big hole and it goes down to a small hole, and there's the two metal attachments here. So you put it through the big part, pull it down until it clicks like so. That one's on. Same with the other one. So they should click on nice and tight, as you can see there. So the flower guard connects with two Phillips screws that are provided. There's one, the other one's over here. Very simple, quick and easy to do. Just screw them on. It shows here on the flower guard the maximum volume generated by this strimmer is 96 decibels. So the battery slots in nice and easily. So my garden's a bit of a state at the moment. The grass needs reseeding. I'll do that next spring. I thought I'd give it one going over now before the end of the year. First impressions are it cuts through the grass no problem at all. And you can see it blasts through shrubs with no problem at all. So now using that twist feature, I can start doing some edging along the line of these slabs. And that's how it did the edges, nice and clean. Okay, so that is about it for the review and the testing of this grass trimmer. My first impressions are I really like it. It's lightweight, as you can see, very easy to use. It's got a nice large handle here that can be adjusted. It's got the safety handle, safety button here, and that's nice and light and easy to use. The battery slots in nice and smooth. Really good if you've already got the 20 volt active energy batteries that you can buy from Aldi. Really convenient in that sense. The shaft is nice and lightweight. The twist feature here, so you can turn the head so that you can do edging, is nice and smooth and easy to use, and the lock and unlock to extend and reduce the shaft is easy to use also. Coming up to the head, the flower guard works just great. You can always put this out the way if you want to, and you can adjust the angle of the head too, depending on what you're doing. These nylon blades are great for the job. They do the job just great, and you get plenty of spare blades in the box too, which is a bonus. I've got a little bit of damage here where I just hit a slab, but they're good to go for another session. Nice and lightweight, easy to use grass trimmer. So first impressions are very good. I'm glad I bought it. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.